dear students. Introduction to Trigonometry, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.2. First question, evaluate the following. Fourth subdivision we are going to do now. It is coming in 10th standard, CBSE. Okay. So what is the question given? Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45 degree. We have to find out the value of this. So what is sin 30? This is 30 degrees. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. And what is the next one? Tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. And cosec 60. What is cosec 60? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 is equal to 2 by root 3. And what is sec 30? Sec 30. Cos 30 is equal to, what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. And what is cot 45? The last one, cot 45. This is equal to 1. Okay, one more is the cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to what? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can substitute these values in the question. What is the question given? Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. We will substitute the value. Sin 30 is equal to what? 1 by 2 plus tan 45. What is tan 45? 1 minus cosec 60. What is cosec 60? 2 by root 3 whole divided by what will come? Sec 30. What is sec 30? 2 by root 3 plus what is cos 60? 1 by 2 plus cot 45. That's equal to 1. Now we can check both numerator and denominator fractions are there. If you want to add the unlike fractions, what we should do? We have to find out the LCM. Here, if you are checking what you will get as the LCM, 2 root 3 you will get as the LCM. In the denominator also you will get 2 root 3 as the LCM, isn't it? So what is the LCM in the numerator? 2 root 3 is the LCM. And what is this? 1 by 2. So what will come in the numerator? Here 2 is there in the denominator. So root 3 will be there in the numerator, isn't it? Plus here will come 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2, isn't it? 2 into 2 will come. Whole divided by, here also what will come in the denominator LCM? 2 root 3 will come as the LCM, and the numerator here root 3 is there. So we have to multiply 2 with 2. 2 2s are 4, isn't it? Plus here in the denominator 2 is there. So we have to multiply 1 with root 3. You will get root 3 and plus 1 in the denominator 1 is there. So what will you get here? 2 root 3 will get. Okay. Now we can cancel this 2 root 3. Okay. Now what will you get in the next step? Root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Minus 4 divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So here we can write this as, how can we write? Here root 3 plus 2 root 3 is there. What is root 3 plus 2 root 3? Actually this is 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3, isn't it? So 1 plus 2 is, how we will write this? We can write root 3, I am writing here, plus 2 root 3. We can take root 3 outside, then what you will get? Here 1 will be there, here 2 will be there, 3 root 3 you will get, isn't it? So root 3 plus 2 root 3 you will get as 3 root 3 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Minus 4 divided by 2 2's are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 you will get as 3 root 3. Okay. I am going to write this as 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by, we can write this as 3 root 3 plus 4. Okay. What we can do in the next step? Here in the denominator 3 root 3 plus 4 is there. We can rationalize the denominator by multiplying with its conjugate. What is the conjugate of 3 root 3 plus 4? 3 root 3 minus 4, isn't it? So we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 root 3 minus 4. This into 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Okay? So, in the numerator, what is coming? A minus B into A minus B. That means A minus B the whole square. What is A minus B the whole square? A square minus 2AB plus B square. And in the denominator, what is coming? A plus B into A minus B. That will come as A square minus B square. Okay, so what will come in the numerator? A minus B the whole square. What is A here? 3 root 3 is A here. So, A square minus 2AB. What is A square? 3 root 3. 3 root 3 the whole square minus 2 into what is A here? 3 root 3 into B is 4. Isn't it? Plus B square. What is B? 4. 4 square. Whole divided by what will come in the denominator? A square minus B square. What is A here? 3 root 3. 3 root 3 the whole square minus 4 square. B is 4. How can we write this? 3 root 3 the whole square. What is 3 root 3 the whole square? 3 square into root 3 square. What is 3 square? 9. 9 into root 3 is 3. Isn't it? 9 into 3. Root 3 the square is equal to 3. 9 3 minus 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 root 3 plus 4 square is equal to 16 divided by 3 root 3 the whole square. 3 square is equal to 9. Root 3 square is equal to 3. So 9 3 27 will come. Minus 4 square is 16. Okay. So what will come in the next step? 9 3s are 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16 divided by 27 minus 16. What will come? 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 11 will come in the denominator. And what will come in the numerator? 27 plus 16. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 1 carry forward. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11 you will get as the answer. Okay. So first we substituted, then we simplified like this. So our answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. That is the value of sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by c 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. I think all of you understood this. Thank you for watching.